Hey, it is holiday. What are you going to do? Hey, there is no school from tomorrow. What will we play? I will first finish my homework. Then we will play with my friends all day. And soon we will race with our cycles and play kabaddi. What are you going to do? I will go by our village. Wow, how will you go? I will go by train. What else will you do? Next we will visit our temple there and come back. I am waiting to meet all the relatives there. What about your homework? I will come back and do it in the morning. Okay, make sure you have time to finish it. Sure, I will. See you there after the holidays. See you. Bye.